This smartphone can literally replace your travel camera. But is it really worth your money? Let's find out. Here comes another camera-focused flagship from Vivo, the Vivo X300 Pro. With so many high-end camera phones launching these days, the real question is, can this one actually rise above the competition? Let's check out everything it offers. The X300 Pro is the bigger model in the X300 lineup, and while its design looks similar to the regular version, the major improvements lie inside. You get a cutting-edge main camera, a huge 200MP telephoto lens, and even support for an external lens attachment for extreme zoom photography. Add to that a new flagship chipset and refreshed global software experience. The back features a large Zeiss-branded camera module with a clean, smudge-resistant frosted glass finish. The aluminum frame gives it a solid premium feel. There's also a useful hardware shortcut button on the top, perfect for launching the camera or quickly changing system profiles. The phone is rated IP68 and IP69, giving it serious protection from dust, water, and even high-pressure hot water jets. The display is a 6.28-inch LTPO OLED with high resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. Brightness is seriously impressive, over 780 nits manually, and more than 2100 nits in auto mode. Colors pop, HDR10 Plus and 10-bit color are supported, and the LTPO tech drops the refresh rate to 1 Hz when idle to save battery. The stereo speakers are loud, though the sound leans more toward mids and lacks deep bass. Unlocking is fast with the ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner. Storage options go up to 1 TB, though there's no microSD slot. And thanks to the IR blaster, you can control appliances directly from your phone. The software now uses Origin OS, based on Android 16, bringing in fresh animations, updated icons, and a clean UI. Some features have an iOS-like feel, such as transparent control center toggles and Origin Island, which shows useful animations and notifications around the selfie camera. AI features are everywhere, from text rewriting to real-time translated captions, audio transcription, and advanced photo editing tools like object removal and background extension. Vivo promises 5 years of major OS updates and 7 years of security updates. Under the hood, the phone runs the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset, one of the fastest chips right now. Performance is excellent, though like most powerful phones, it does throttle during long, heavy workloads. Battery size depends on region. Europe gets a smaller, 5440 mAh battery, while other countries get a larger 6510 mAh version. The smaller one still delivers decent battery life, but many competitors now offer better. Charging is extremely fast, under 30 minutes to full. Whether you use the 90-watt Vivo charger or a 55-watt USB PD PPS charger, wireless charging is supported too. Now for the main attraction, the cameras. You get a 50-megapixel main camera, a 200-megapixel 3.5x telephoto lens with close-up focusing, and a 50-megapixel autofocus ultrawide. Both the main and telephoto sensors are upgraded this year. Daytime images from the main camera look excellent. Wide dynamic range, natural detail, accurate white balance, and lifelike skin tones. Even 2x digital zoom performs surprisingly well. Low-light shots are impressive too, with clean details and controlled highlights, though sometimes the colors appear slightly oversaturated. The 3.5x telephoto lens captures vibrant, sharp photos with strong contrast because it can focus very close, around 14 cm. It delivers beautiful close-up portraits with natural background blur. Low-light performance is strong as well. Digital zoom is usable up to around 7x. For extreme zoom lovers, Vivo sells a photography kit that includes a camera grip and an external telephoto extender, pushing optical zoom to 200 meters. The ultra-wide camera performs very well in daylight, with sharp details, rich colors, and reliable dynamic range. At night, detail dips slightly, but overall quality stays good. Selfies also get a big upgrade thanks to the new 50-megapixel autofocusing front camera. Sharp, detailed, and wide dynamic range even in bright light. Video recording goes up to 4K 60 FPS on all cameras, 8K on the main cam, and 120 FPS slow-mo on main and telephoto. Daytime videos look great, though sometimes a little over-sharpened. Low-light video is decent, but not quite the best in the class. Stabilization, however, is superb. Overall, the Vivo X300 Pro is a powerhouse camera phone with a stunning display, fast charging, strong performance, and an incredibly capable camera setup. The only downsides are the EU battery life and slightly weaker low-light video. But if you're into photography, it's absolutely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest tech reviews.